You're gonna love the 2021 Nissan Versa. This sprightly Versa offers a host of features to keep you secure, comfortable, and connected. From impressive standard driver assist tech to an upscale cabin and touchscreen infotainment, this clever compact is ready to take you places. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control. Feel relaxed and confident when you're behind the wheel of this multi-talented Versa. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.